Hi, I'm going to be making the black pepper mushroom today. I have about 6 ounces of mushroom, 3 ounces of onion, about 1 ounce of red pepper, few pieces garlic, and few pieces green onion. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter, and about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, about 1 tablespoon of sugar, about half teaspoon of salt, about 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So first I'm going to put some oil in it. Then I'm going to stir fry the onion first. And some garlic. Then I stir fry the mushroom. And also add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Pepper in it. And some green onion. Then I sprinkle some sugar and salt. Then I put some butter in it. Then I put some cooking oil in it. Then I will cover it. And I cover it for 30 seconds. Okay, it looks good right now. Let me turn off the heat. Okay, that's what I had today, the black pepper mushroom.